こんにちは、愛です。Hello, my name is Ai. I'm a Japanese mom who lives in Southern California with my two girls and my partner. In this video, I'm gonna introduce Japanese home cooking. Keywords are easy, simple, yummy, and Japanese. Today, 今日私は赤いセーターを着てますね。I'm wearing red sweater. どうしてでしょう Guess what? Guess why? Today, I'm gonna show you how to make Osekihan. Osekihan means red rice, and Osekihan is a sticky rice, sweet rice cooked with Azuki or Sasage, red beans, and the color is a very beautiful red color. So we eat Osekihan, red rice, for celebration, any celebration, like graduation, when you enter the school, like a 入学式, or if your friend or somebody give birth to, for the new baby, any celebration, wedding. And red is a good luck color in Japan, and people believe the color of red get rid of the bad spirit. So for long time, from long time ago, we have a tradition to eat Osekihan for celebration. And there's a bean, red bean. Azuki is most well known, and there's Sasage. And Azuki bean and Sasage bean, they are like cousins, very similar. But for the Osekihan, if you can find Sasage, that's the ideal one. But I couldn't find, so I'm using Azuki. So for making Osekihan, why Sasage is better? Because Sasage bean doesn't break, and Azuki bean tend to break. And then Japanese people believe when bean breaks, it means seppuku. Seppuku is like committing suicide, cutting your own stomach, seppuku. So seppuku is like a little bit bad luck. So we prefer Sasage. But in America, it's hard to find Sasage, so I use Azuki. It tastes same, and it tastes good. So, how to prepare Osekihan is very simple. I use rice cooker. You can use steamer, but for simplicity, I use the rice cooker. So, you parboil the red bean and separate the cooking water and bean. And for when you make rice with a rice cooker, you add bean and then leftover water too. The red color water. That's way the finished rice become a very nice red color. So let's see how to prepare Osekihan. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. And if you liked the video, please share with your friend. That's very important to me. To make Osekihan, we're gonna use the cup attached to the rice cooker, and we need 3 cups of uncooked sweet rice or sticky rice, and 1/3 cup of red beans or Azuki or Sasage beans. And again, we're gonna use the cups comes with the rice cooker, and we need 2 cups of water and 1 cup of Azuki cooking water, leftover water from cooking beans. And then sesame, black sesame with salt, ごま塩. First, we're gonna wash the sticky rice or sweet rice. Wash thoroughly. For sweet rice, it's good to wash until the water gets clear. Once water gets clear, drain the water and set aside. And now it's time to wash the bean. Wash the bean thoroughly and drain. And then place washed bean in a small pot and add some water. And once it starts boiling, turn off the heat and then drain. And repeat the process. So once it starts boiling, drain, and then put Azuki in a small pot and then add some water And then this time, once it starts boiling, over the low heat, cook for 15 minutes. And then drain the water again, and this time keep the leftover cooking water of Azuki. Save for 1 cup. Save 1 cup of Azuki cooking water. And now it's put it together. Time to put it together. Place the washed rice in a rice cooker. Add Azuki beans. Add 1 cup of Azuki cooking water, hot water. And then 2 cups. 2 cups with this small cup attached with the rice cooker. 2 cups of water. And then wait for 3 hours. 3 hours. Then cook like cooking regular rice. And rice will be ready in about 1 hour. After 1 hour, Osekihan is ready. Looks very nice. Very natural pink. Pink Osekihan. And put in a rice bowl. It's like mochi, very sticky. And sprinkle some sesame seed, black sesame and salt, goma shio. And Osekihan is ready to serve. Tastes good.